With just a few items from the Dollar Tree, I was able to make my own chip bag stand to display my daughter's custom party favors I created for her 13th birthday. In this video, I want to show you how I created this DIY chip bag stand to display our custom party favors. This was a really quick and easy DIY, and all the items that I needed could be purchased at the Dollar Tree. Making my own chip bag and treat stand saved me so much money compared to buying one off of Amazon. So if you're interested in seeing how I made it, make sure you watch the entire video. So at the Dollar Tree, I picked up one of their cooling racks, two paper towel holders, some zip ties. These were the only colors my store had in stock. I ended up going to Walmart and finding these mini clothespins. I also picked up some regular size clothespins to see how they look. And I found these little mini colorful clothespins off of Amazon. Dollar Tree has some craft clamps, but they didn't have any at my store that you could also use. So the first thing you want to do is connect your cooling rack to your two paper towel holders using your zip ties. And you're going to see me use about four, but you definitely want to use more than four. I noticed this after I finish. Next, I'm going to show you how I put together this one just using one paper towel holder and one of the cooling racks. Alright guys, I hope you all found the video helpful. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and drop me a comment down below. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more videos. I will link anything that I purchased off of Amazon in the description box down below. Thank you all so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.